Hello friends, if you're new, welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoy it. For those of you who are my fans and subscribers, welcome back. I really do appreciate the patronage. I have less than 200 to go to 1,000, so let's do it. Not much else I need to say. Well, let's get on with the video. So just a note before we begin, this is the beginning of People's Temple, but when Jones first founded his church in Indianapolis, he named it Community Unity. It was not until later that it would be known as the People's Temple. When Jones started quote-unquote healing, he would draw small crowds because he still stayed on the rural revival circuit. Even he admitted to being skeptical about his healings. In psychology and medicine, this is called the placebo effect. It is very real, but it usually doesn't last. As his confidence grew, he became more outspoken about his personal beliefs and he used his so-called healings to spread his true message. What was this message? It was one of anti-war integration sprinkled with philosophy. Preaching integration to white conservatives was risky, but he accepted that this would lose him some of the audience. Yet Jones continued insisting that an inclusive church was his biggest issue. As he had more success on the circuit, he became increasingly disillusioned with Somerset. His position allowed him no freedom to do the things that were bringing him so much attention on the circuit. Another thing that annoyed him was gradual change. He wanted to make things happen right now. An obvious solution to this problem was for Jones to leave Somerset. While he was contemplating this, Somerset let him go in 1954. Both Jim and Marcelin claimed that he was dismissed because he was trying to recruit blacks. But this is unlikely because few, if any, blacks lived near the church. Sometime in 1954, Jones paid a visit to Ron Haldeman, a member of the Quaker church that had the responsibility to supervise his church's services to the poor and elderly. Jones explained that he was trying to found a church in the area he planned to name Community Unity. Haldeman was delighted to have found a fellow socialist, and Jones manipulated him further by pretending to be a lifelong Quaker. By the end of the visit, Haldeman had offered to share his office with Jones free of charge. This would be Jones's base of operation. A bit of history. Indianapolis is close to Dixie and apparently lacked Jim Crow laws. Blacks saw this as a beacon of hope and flooded the city in an attempt to escape the overt racism of the South. Because of this, race relations became much more tense. In response, the black population in Indianapolis turned to their church leaders, who in 1943 formed the Indianapolis Citizens Council, whose express purpose was to ensure good race relations. They requested meetings with their white counterparts, which were promptly scheduled, but nothing really changed. Because of their impoverished circumstances, blacks often found their only comfort in church. Preachers promised a better life to come, yet did little in the way of helping their congregations with more immediate needs. Enter Jim Jones. The challenge Jim faced was to offer inner city blacks something that wasn't being offered at their present churches. Jim decided that he would take care of his congregants' immediate needs as well as promising an afterlife. This differed radically from what other churches offered, and soon his congregation started growing. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, press the subscribe button, and if you would like to know when I come out with new content, hit the bell next to the subscribe button. My Twitter, Discord, email, and PayPal links are in the description, along with the source that I used for this video. If you wish to support this channel, you may do so on my PayPal link. Keep learning and searching for truth. Here are a few videos from my library. If you have not watched them yet, go ahead and watch them and tell me what you think. Until next time, friends, goodbye.